Now let's talk about how you can link an iPad to control the mouse on a computer. Well, it is kind of possible to do. There are a few things which you should know about because it requires you to get a third-party app for it. So there is the ability to do so. When you open up the App Store on your iPad, you need to get the remote mouse application, which has this like green logo. I mean, you can try with the free version. It's gonna be enough for a lot of people, so just get that. And on your Mac computer, you need to get that application as well. Naturally, it doesn't have to be Mac, it can also work through Windows, which is fine as well. Then just look it up on Google and just get the app for Windows, but you can also find it on the Mac App Store. Then what you need to do is to just download it on both devices, then open it up. For example, on the iPad, you need to grant it all of the permissions to access local devices in the network, which is kind of possible and also necessary to control the mouse of the computer with just your iPad. And then you open up the same app on your Mac, and there you also get prompted to give it permission for some accessibility reasons, and it's gonna just get you over to the settings. And essentially inside of the accessibility, you need to enable this remote mouse control to essentially just enable the connection to happen. So once you do, then you get a little tutorial on the app, and after everything just gets to the end, you can start using the mouse with the screen of the iPad, which is very like cool. You also have like controls like the left click, right click, and all the other things like scrolling and everything. So you will get to know the app very quickly, and that's how you can use it. It's really a good thing if you want to just, I don't know, for whatever reason you don't have access to mouse, then you can use your iPad as well. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. For more content and videos like this one, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, hit the thumbs up below, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.